You may recall that actions reporting against individual tasks were covered in the previous tutorials as part of the reporting progress and issues. However, Flow also enables you to raise a new action which does not necessarily relate to one of your tasks. To do this, select the Raise Action button on the Workplan homepage. This will open a new dialog box where you can define the topic it relates to. Input by whom it is owned. Select the name of the action. There are also options to enter any notes and select a due on date. Once this is all filled in, click on Save and then upload your changes to make them visible to the rest of the team members. Let's now have a look from the other end and see how this appears in the Assigned Owner dashboard, which, in this case, we specified to be the architect. To view your actions log, click on Actions. Here all the actions that relate to your responsibilities can be viewed. At the right top corner, under the role tags, you can see a summary of all actions you are responsible for. For each of the actions, you would be able to close, edit, and delete, as well as to see its status, who owns it, what it relates to, and by whom it has been raised.